Hey guys, today we are going to learn another chapter on Uipath tutorial. How will you print a dictionary? So let's say a dictionary has got a string value and an array of integers. So how will you print this dictionary? We are going to see. So first thing, let us drag and drop the assign activity and let's quickly create a dictionary variable, and I'm going to name it as dixnum or dicnum. And then here I am going to provide some values, but before that, to this variable let's assign the proper data type by going to browse for types, and here let's search for, and I feel this particular window becomes slightly slower, so type it carefully. And then once you select this dictionary key and p value, so first one is the key value, second one is the value of that key. So the first one is of string type and the value are of array of integer. Fine, so I've selected, click on OK. And the next thing, let's initialize this particular variable because this is an object. So how do I initialize? All I have to say new dictionary of, and in the bracket I will say first one is of string value and the second value is of integer type and it's an array. So I'm saying integer and putting two moon brackets and click on OK. So this is how I have initialized, and then after you have initialized, let's enter some values to it. So to enter the value, let me use the dictionary name, and then I need to enter a key name. Okay, so let me open it in a bigger window. So I've written the dictionary name, and in the moon bracket let's use the double quote, and let's say I want to say even numbers. Okay, click on OK, and then in the value section let's enter some even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's say done, click on OK. Similar way, let's quickly copy and paste it, and all we have to do, let's print some odd numbers. So I'll replace this with odd, and then the values also I'm going to rewrite by replacing all these values. I'll say 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's say. Alright, so I have entered both the even numbers and the odd numbers. Now it's time for us to print it. So how can I print? There are multiple ways to do it. One of the way, or a simple way, would be using a for each loop. Okay, so here I need to mention the dictionary name, whatever the name you have given, and then what key value you want to print. So why I am using a for each loop? Because this dictionary has got multiple values. A single key has got multiple values. That's why. So here all I am doing, I am entering the, let's say I want to print the even numbers first. So I'll say even. Okay, and then I want to select the data type, which is an integer, right? These are all integers. Done. And let's use a message box or a write line activity. And in the write line activity, all I have to say is item dot toString, because these are numbers. Let me convert it to string and it will print all the values. So let's run it and see how it is working. Okay, look at this. The execution has started, and then it started printing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Fine, so you can see all the numbers were printed. Same thing, if you want to print the odd, all you have to do, replace this even and write odd. That is going to print all the dictionary values. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to come up with more such interesting contents to help you give daily boost of knowledge. Please do like, please do share our contents, and let us know what are the different ways you can print this dictionary. So let me know in the comment section. Take care guys, bye bye.